temperatures are fluctuating a lot these days, which makes it much more important to check on the latest weather forecast. And for more, we go over to our Kwon So-ah. So-ah, hello.
Hi, Gia, and good evening, everyone. Now, as Gia just said, temperatures are jumping up and down a lot nowadays. So please take care of your health, and also with the dry air we are having. Well, that problem may be solved tomorrow, though, because we expect nationwide precipitation due to a low pressure trough approaching us from the west. Now, the western part of the country is also going to receive the first raindrops, probably beginning in the evening. And by night, it should have spread nationwide. We're expecting somewhere between 5 and 30 millimeters through Wednesday. Meanwhile, in the east coast regions, especially in Gangwon Province's mountains, there are chances of lots of snow due to the colder temperatures. And speaking of temperatures, we'll have big gaps in the lows and highs again, with Seoul beginning at around the freezing point and soaring to 13 later on. The southern regions will start off in the single digits and hike up to the double digits. And extremely huge gap for Daejeon. Jeju and Dokdo make it to 17 and 14 respectively, and Myeongkumgang hits 7 degrees. And now for those watching from other parts of the world, here's the weather in some major travel destinations. It'll be a little dull in Beijing sky, so a high of 10 degrees should feel chillier. Tokyo, on the other hand, reaches the high teens with plenty of sunshine. Over in Islamabad, it'll be overcast but still warm. New Delhi should have a bit more sun peeking through with higher temperatures. Enjoy a dry Tuesday in Kuala Lumpur, while in Port Moresby and Jakarta, things stay rainy and thundery at times. Sydney and Perth will be moderately warm, Melbourne scorching hot. Wellington is going to be in the teens, but with mainly sunny skies after a few morning clouds. It'll be a rainy day for much of North America. Over an inch of precipitation is in store for Montreal. Vancouver should receive afternoon showers. Rainfall plus chances of thunderstorms east in New York and Washington, D.C., while those in Chicago may see some snow flurries. None of that in South America, not even rain for Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo, so enjoy the dry weather. But don't forget your sunscreen under the hot sunshine. Now, Lima and Santiago will be on the warm side too, both hitting 28 degrees. And as for Europe and as for Moscow, Monday night and Tuesday morning, you won't want to spare on anything that'll keep you warm, for lows will drop as low as -20. Pretty cold in Berlin as well. London should be windy, Rome and Madrid rainy, Paris rainy and maybe snowy. It'll be a hot one over in Africa in Cairo with increasing clouds, overcast for Algiers, cooling down just a little bit down in Cape Town. And that's the forecast for now, but I'll see you again after 10 when I'll be back with more updates.
Thank you, So-ah. And that's all the news we are following at this hour. I'm Yoo Ji-hye in Seoul. I'll be back with more news updates on our primetime news at 10 p.m. Korea time. See you then.
Next.